Welcome to SaaS Briefcase, where we talk about tools for business growth. So let's check out the 10 plus free image website to start your creator journey. So the first one is, so we are at pixels.com website. Let's see how it works. Before I will show you how it works, let me just tell you, Pixels has more than 6K photos and more than 93,000 videos and around 190 users who are contributing to Pixel every day. The mission of Pixel is to empower creators such that they can create amazing products, design story, or website app. It's pretty easy to search in Pixels. What you need to do is you just need to go there and you need to search for your niche. Let's say your niche is digital marketing. You can always search for digital marketing and you can see there are so many pictures which you can just download and you can always see how it really works. I have opened this, I'll just open this creative, and as you can see this creative can be seen. Yeah, so you must be wondering how they are giving free images. You can always go to the license, which is this one, and the legal simplicity, where you can see all photos and videos on Pixel can be downloaded and used for free. What is allowed? All photos and videos on Pixels are used to be free. Attribution is not required. Giving credit to the photographer of Pixel is not necessary, but always appreciated. You can modify the photos and videos from Pixel, be creative, and edit them as you like. What is allowed? What is not allowed? Identifiable people may not appear in a bad light. Whoever has given this to your to Pixels should not appear in a bad light or even offensive. Don't sell unaltered copies or a photo or video. Example is a poster, print, or a physical product without modifying it first. Don't imply endorsement of your product by people or brands on the imagery. Don't redistribute or sell the photos and videos on other stock photo or wallpaper platform. These are not allowed. So the whole thing is you can be creative and get all the required images for your creativity in Pixels. We'll move on to the next one. The next useful website for all you digital creators, all the creators rather, is Pixabay. Pixabay has over 2.6 million plus high quality stock images, videos, and music shared by the talented community. You can see there are photos, there are illustration, vectors, videos, music, and sound effects. We'll quickly go through all this. If you want any photos, you can search for any photos that you want and you will get the result. For example, I'll search for water. I'll get the images of all the waters and this can be downloaded. You just need to click over here and you can go for free download. The next one we will quickly go is photos. You can search it from here as well. We'll search for vector graphics. You can search for vector graphics as well. You can quickly click on over it and you can download this over here. And the next we go to illustrations. We quickly go to illustrations. We will search for illustrations. Let's go to illustration quickly. This is the illustrations. You can search for different illustrations. Let me just go to the site again and search for illustrations. We'll go to the illustration. These are the illustrations that you can quickly download from it. The next are the vectors. You can download any vector for free at all from Pixabay. The next one is the videos. There are so many thousands of free stock videos and clip footages shared by the talented community. So you can see the video of water. If I want to play, you can see this is playing. You can play it as well. And similarly, there are so many videos. This is the nature. This is someone surfing on the sea. And the last is the music. Though there is sound effects as well. And music, you have different genres, duration. If whatever point you want 4 to 8 minutes, 8 minutes, you can filter it out. You want electronic, upbeat beats, mood, and then there are so many moods, and then movement. You can download any one of this. I'll just play one for you quickly. This is the music that you can play, and you can easily download it from here. The next one is the sound effects. The rain background sound, you can download it from here. Sadness, if you want to hear, this is the rain background sound which you can download. And these are, you can download anything. Like it's search for sound effects, example, funny, gunshot, applause, whoosh, and more. Now let's quickly move into the Pixabay license section where you can see this. It's the same thing. Our license empower creators and protects our community. We want to keep it as simple as possible. Here is an overview of what Pixabay content can and can't be used for. It's the same thing, what is allowed, which we have mentioned in the pixels as well, and what is not allowed. So you can go through this, and I hope you like this resources. Let's move on to the next resource. So the next one in the list is unsplash.com. You can spell it as unsplash.com. So over here also you will get free high resolution photos, that too also for free. Okay, so you can always search for any photos that you want. You want any interiors ka photo, you want any current events or business and work. If I will click on business and work, you can see there are all business related images are popping up. So now if you want to see fashion, you can look into fashion as well. If you want to go to nature, you will see all the nature images are showing in unsplash.com. So you can see there are different kind of categories are there, like current events, wallpaper, 3D renders, texture and patterns, and similarly it goes up till athletics. Now you can always click on explore and you can always see the background images, wallpapers that you want. You can always, so if you click on backgrounds, then you can have these beautiful backgrounds, when your desktop or anywhere you want on web pages or anywhere you want. So I think that's it for Unsplash. Let's move on to the next one. So the next one is again a freeimages.com is one more site where you can have a lot of free images for your creativity to unleash your creativity. Again, you can browse free photos, new images, popular. So in the collections you will see different kind of categories like art and design, business and finance, education, food and drink, religion, a lot of things, landscape and nature. And there are, you can always search from this as well, where you can always, let's see, I will click on landscape and nature. The moment I click on landscape and nature, I will get photos. So I will click on this and I can easily download. This is a premium photo, so we'll not be able to download. We will check whether we will able to. So no, this is a premium photo. We click on this, let's say, and it is showing download from all stocks. So what we will do is we will click on free photos and then we will say landscape and nature, and then we will see landscape and nature. So this is what it is coming up. So let's say this one, and you click on this, you can freely download this image, download free. So it will just pop up, show you a pop-up where you are saying wait for download, and it will get download start automatically. As you can see, I got a download here. So then you can see this image. So yeah, so free images is all about images. There are no videos or nothing that is available. So you can use it again for your creativity. Thank you. So the next one in the list is stockvault.net. Again, over here you get free stock images, new photos, textures and illustrations added every day. Again, these are free, so you can click on photos, the latest photos. If you want to click, you can click, and you will get different images. So if you want to download this, then you need to go over there and just click on free download. Okay, and the moment you click on get 10 free images, you don't want this, no thanks, close this window. So this is how you can always download the images. Now it has categories as well. You can click on different categories that you want. There's so many categories, like it starts with animals, transportation, graphics, construction, nature, industrial objects, people, textures, and seasonal 3D renders. If you want to see 3D landscape, you click on the 3D landscape and see what all images we have. Like this is a 3D landscape. You can, so what we will do is we will go to the photos again, and again we will see what all images you can download from here. So Let's go to the next one. So the next one in the list is public domain pictures. Publicdomainpictures.net is a repository of free public domain images. So you can download high quality HD photos or upload on your own. Okay. So as I said, you can search for digital marketing and then you will get digital marketing strategy, all these images. So when you click on this again, then you will have to, there's a premium download, there is a free download. You click on free download, it will take you a different link and then you can click and save this image and you can use this image. So that's it about public domain pictures.net. You won't get any videos or anything other than this. So you can check this site out as well. So the next one in the list is startup stock photos. These are so startup stock photos are free startup, office, and tech stock photos, pictures ready for your next project. So if you want to build a website about your startup and you need some very amazing images, then you can scroll down and you can see all the startup related images or the pictures or the human element, all of this are about the startup. So you can click on any of these images and you can download them. So this is a very big image. You can download them from this thing. So there are no videos as such. So this is only about startup stock photos. Thank you. So the next one in the list is Picography. Again, it's a very high resolution royalty free stock images that you get that you can use however you like with our free license. Picography offers gorgeous high resolution free photos and these free photos can be used for any project. No attribution actually is needed. So you can download your favorite image and you can use it for your creativity. So for example, as of now, let's take a food shot image. I'll just write food and I'll search for an image. I can see this beautiful tomato pictures with all these pictures. I can just click on this image and I can download the free photo. And then I can use it on my website as per my requirement. So yeah, so there are different categories. Like you can use different categories again, similar to the other things that I've shown you earlier as well. So it has hospitality, fashion, city. So you can download your requirement from Picography as and what it is required. So that's it about Picography. Let's move on to the next one. The best free nature images, where would you get? You would get in freenaturestock.com. It's the best free nature stock photos and videos. You can download it absolutely for free. So we will go to quickly for photos and we can see there are so many photos of nature. You will see everything related to nature. If you are a nature lover, if you have a website which is talking about nature, if you have any business which is talking about nature, this is the website you should look out for. The next thing is the videos. You can clearly see these are very high definition videos. This is a 4K video. You can click on this and you will see this video is such a nice video when I will play it. You can see and you can use this as your starting frame. This video is a 4K video which is running in front of you as of now. So the site name is freenaturestock.com. We'll move on to the next one. Thank you. So the next one is StockSnap.io. So there is no more hassle trying to figure out whether you can use this for commercial purpose or your any other attribution that is required. Again, you will get some beautiful free stock photos. Free from copyright restrictions. There are different categories like business, technology, people, summer, food, and you can write. So I would search for water and I will search the top. You will find the sponsored over there, but then in the bottom you will see a lot of water images like this one. I will click on this one and then you can quickly go and download. You just click on free download, you can quickly download. So yeah, so this is about one more free image resources for you. See you in the next one. So the next one in the list is rgbstock.com. So again, you will see a lot of categories, new photos, which you can download. There's popular, there's random. And what you have to do is you'll have to actually log in into this account and then you'll have to click on the, let's say, seashells. And I want to download this file. You just have to click download. Only you will get images over here, nothing more. And then you can see this image if whichever I have downloaded. So yeah, so I'm saying this is one more site which is absolutely free to use, where you can use the creativity to show your creativity how it really works. RGB stock is the another resource for you. See you in the next one.